Brent, what makes Krone unique in today's agribusiness world?
Well, in today's agribusiness world, Krone is unique. It's a family-owned company. Been in business since 1906. Bernard Krone gets up and goes to work every day just like farmers and ranchers and cattle producers do all around the world. So there is the guy whose name is on the side of the machine. Actually, he's there every day.
That's a pretty exciting and unique feature for a company to have. Now, as far as Krone responding to the ever-increasing utilization of technology, how are they going about that, especially in the hay and forage production world?
Well, we're doing more and more of using global satellite positioning. We're doing data uplinks from things as simple as a round baler, so that customers, you as an operator, can be watching that machine as it's moving through the field in real time to let you know if it's working properly, if it's being as productive as possible, or just keep an eye on things from right there at the office.
And how does the company respond to, of course, some of the changes and the challenges that are taking place?
Well, that's the nice thing about being a specialty company that just deals in one specific product. If there is a change in the market or a trend, it's easier to turn around and respond to those. It's not like turning a battleship around. You know, we can react and we can listen to the customers, what they think that is needed, and especially with the market, the way things are right now, machinery's hard to find. So our whole team is working around North America to move machines wherever we need to take them to get the job done.
And how excited are you about heading into 2022?
Well, 2022 is going to be a great year. Well, you know, there's a lot of optimism at the farm, at the dealership, and at our office as well. So we're looking forward to it.
So how does Krone help the customers reach the goals that they have across the country, of course?
Well, we've got some of the most unique and innovative customers ever. So what we do at Krone is we go and we meet with our customers and we talk with them either through our salesperson or our dealer network, and we find out what the goals are for their farm and what they want to accomplish. Then we right-size the equipment for them so that they can accomplish those goals and get the highest return on their investment.
Now, Jillian, you mentioned that you guys have unique customers. Explain that.
Our customers, they're really the heroes of the whole industry. We've got customers that are organic customers. They've got my methane digesters on their farms, so actually producing electricity for the communities that they live in. We've got customers that they're teams of brothers, teams of sisters, and they're some of the largest forage producers, exporters in the world. And then, of course, we have a lot of multi-generational farmers, and they all have one goal in mind, or two, I should say. One is to be good stewards of the land, and then to produce the highest quality forage for their customers and for their livestock.
I get the feeling this next one's going to be a passion project for you, but what do you enjoy most about working with your customers?
Meeting with the customers and talking to them and just finding out their different niche at their farm, and then finding out how we can help them and just learning about their operation.
Jillian, thank you very much for joining us. Again, Jillian Helgeson, she is a marketing manager with Krone North America, joining us here. And then we have another gentleman stepping in here. We are doing quite the little dance, needless to say. We have Trell Evans, and Trell, thank you very much for joining us. Give us a little bit of an idea. How does the company make sure that customers are getting, of course, the best products that they need on their farm?
Yes, exactly. We hear the term a lot, buyer's remorse, and that's when a customer buys a product that really doesn't suit his operation. And we try to avoid that just as much as the customer does. So when we have a customer prospect that wants a new machine, especially if it's not one that he's used to in his operation, if he's changing his operation and wants to go a different direction, the first thing we do is get with the dealer and we vet the customer. We interview him. We make sure that all his needs and expectations are met, so that when we make the deal, we know that this machine is going to perfectly suit this customer.
Now, Trell, of course, conversations are great, and it's always a pleasure to visit with you guys, but I know folks are also stopping by to check out the equipment that you have here on hand. What do you guys have?
Oh, absolutely. We have two products on the lot. We have our rotary rake, which we make this model all the way from 12 to 62 foot. And of course, we would get a little cramped if we had a 62 foot in here, so we brought the small one. A rotary rake is probably the best product a customer can use if he wants to improve his hay and forage quality. And also we brought our Berry Pack baler, and this baler is very unique to Krone. This is our first belt baler, and this baler was specifically designed for the operators of North America. It really has a lot of features, and of course, if I had to pick two that I think are really unique to this baler, it's the ability to make a variable density bale. So a customer can make the bale whatever density you want. You can do an inner density real tight, you can do a medium density, and it also has a very fast tailgate speed. So that was one of the ways that we could increase the productivity of this baler, is increase the cycle time of the tailgate up and down. So it limits the amount of time that you're not baling hay.